Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading, where I will show you how to take your day trading game to the next level. So in today's video, I will be featuring a strategy on the 15-minute time frame. As usual, I will be using the Euro US dollar trade pair, but this strategy does work for every asset: crypto, forex, stocks, everything. Also, if you stick to the very end of the video, I will show you how to set up alerts on this strategy so that you don't have to set at your computer all day. So we're going to click on indicators. The very first indicator that we'll be using is the market structure break by Emery KB right here. The second indicator that we'll be using is the trend meter. The third indicator is optional, but I found that it helps you increase the accuracy of your trades, although they do occur a lot less frequently. It will be the CM EMA. Click on that. All right, so at this point, your chart should look something similar to this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to settings on the very first indicator. We're going to go to style, and we're just going to uncheck the boxes. Click OK. So for the trend meter, we're just going to leave it alone. But for the EMA trend bars, we're going to click on settings. We're going to change all of the lines to white. And then we're going to change the EMA uptrend to 100. So at this point, your chart should look how it is presented on the screen. Also, if you guys have found value so far out of today's video, I would really appreciate it if you would click on the like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, I will be posting my free Telegram channel where I will show most of the trades I make on a regular basis. All right, so now for the strategy. The very first thing that we're going to be looking for is for this green line to appear. This indicates that there's a break in the pattern. Something that I should also note about this indicator is that it has a slight lag in it. It will not appear automatically. You have to wait until the trend is broken and there's a break of pattern for it to appear. At that point, you can either wait for it to retest in the line before taking a position, or you can just take it automatically. I recommend doing it automatically. The second thing that we will be looking for is for the price action to be above this white line. This indicates that there is bullish price action and that the trend is going upward. The third thing that we will be looking for is for all of the colors after the break of the pattern to be green. Once these three conditions are met, we can take our first long position. So we'll be placing our trade right here. Stop loss will be down at the swing low. Although the trade was quite brief, we can see that with a 1.5 risk reward ratio, it was a winning trade. If you'd like, you could use the strategy at the 2 risk reward ratio, but I recommend getting in and out of the trade for intraday trading. All right, so for our second long position, here we can see that there is a break of pattern. The pattern was also retested. It is above the 100 EMA, and we can also see that all the colors lined up are green. So we can take our next long position. Open the trade and put the stop loss at the most recent swing low. I recommend putting it a few points below it, actually. And with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, we see that we have another winning trade. Again, you can take profits on the way up, and you can wait until the 2 risk reward ratio has been hit. If you choose to make this strategy, I recommend moving your stop loss up throughout the trade to prevent any unnecessary losses. Something that might invalidate a trade is if you see really long wicks on the bodies of the candle, or if the candle hasn't really closed all the way above the 100 EMA with a breakout pattern appearing. I would recommend staying out of these trades. All right, so for our first short position, we can see the breakout pattern has occurred. A red line has appeared, and also the candle has closed below the line. It is below the 100 EMA, and all the red lines are lined up. So we can take our short position, stop loss at the most recent swing high, and with the risk reward ratio of even a 2, we can see that we hit our profit target. Yeah, again, the 100 EMA is incredibly helpful for helping you to find a lot more accurate trade. Like I said, it is very much optional. You could turn this off, but the possibility of you losing trade begins to increase. So if you'd prefer to trade more, but with more risk, then the EMA trend lines are a little bit optional. All right, so now for setting up alerts. To set up alerts on this strategy, what we're going to do is we're going to right click on one of the breakout lines and click on add alert. You're going to make sure that it's aligned with the MSB OB and then you're just going to click create. So whenever a breakout pattern has occurred, either for a short or a long position, it'll send you an alert to whatever device that you have. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this strategy. It's been incredibly useful so far. I tried it out mostly on the 15-minute time frame, and it seems to work the best on the 15-minute. Again, if you guys found value out of today's video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd click on the like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.